Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell clothes on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, selling clothes on Squarespace is pretty much as easy as just adding products to your store. You just create a store page and add your clothing to that page as products for that page, and that's pretty much it. So to add a store page, you just need to go into pages, and I'm going to delete this store that I have already created. And now I'm going to click this plus. You can set it in main navigation. You can set it into not linked and link to it through a different page, but I'll just set it up in not linked. Click on the plus and under collections, click store. And that's going to create a store. Once you select a layout, I'll select this one because it really doesn't matter. Now just name your store. I'll just keep the name as store one because it fits for this tutorial. Then I'll select all of these products and I'm going to delete them because these are just some placeholder products which are added to your store. And now to sell clothing, all you need to do is click create a product. You can sell custom merch with Printful with custom prints on your clothes, and you can pretty much just print them out, or rather you don't need to keep them in stock. It's all managed by Printful. You can just ship them and they'll be directly delivered. You pretty much have nothing to do with it. It's pretty much like drop shipping in a sense, where Printful handles everything. It fits all orders. So if somebody orders, they will print out a new piece of merch and then ship it to your customer. However, if you want your own custom clothing, you can click on physical and add your, clothing as physical product. So for example, if I want to sell a sweater, I'll just name it sweater. Of course, you should go a bit more into detail with the product name and description, but once you do that, you can add additional info if you want with custom blocks and fields. You can also add images to display your goods, set the price. I'll set mine at 20 just as an example. Then go down into categories and tags. You can add several categories and tags. Categories help the customers search for the items on the store, and tags will show as keywords. They won't be shown in the store, but they are pretty much used to connect related products. You can also use several selling tools such as creating a featured product which will be displayed in summary blocks. You can also optimize your SEO and social share options, and you can create custom forms and buttons for checkout if you so choose, if it's a limited edition article, for example. Then once you're done, just go either save it if you don't want to publish it yet. You can schedule it for a later date or publish it immediately. In my case, I'll just publish it. And once it's added to your store, that's pretty much all you need to do. Once you link your store, people will be able to purchase your items, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.